in the roots here, the woman, old woman, when something happened in the village, anything happened in the village, they came here. It's not even about fertility. It's like anything, because this tree is belong to women, old women. Okay, in sometime in Sunday like today, they can come here like early 6 o'clock in the morning and sit here. But when they in this round in this roots here, they used to put the shoe out and go in and sit in and put the offer here. They used to put offer in the, you see this small hole there. Yeah, and they do their ceremony prayers. So it is, yeah. They used to put salt there and some rice and some nuts, cola nuts, and start to pray. Yeah. Because they say this area is where the female live in. This spirit female live here. Sometimes it's too strong energy here, like in the night. When you come here, everybody is sleep. It's quiet, tranquil, no noise. You will see different thing here, amazing thing. Yeah. Yes, yeah. And so many people also have sit here. Maybe I can tell you thousand people have sit here, and so many are praying here also. And so many of them, what they pray here is done. It's happened good. Yeah. Still now.
Because in many holy places, from nature holy places, when there comes other religions like Christianity or Islam, they join together.
Yes. Here also is all they pray. They ask God. They ask all God. Is what the old woman tell me is God. You can feel God is here. Because this is from the nature. God make this nature for us. Even is spiritual, but also is God. All is about God. It is.
Okay,